crisis out there. Stop. There is a big crisis out there, and it is wild.
I know, wait! This is what they're doing! Uh-oh.
Hey, let's go after some other people. This video. Guys. I'm gonna kill you. What are you videotaping? Hi, Abby. I love Abby.
Hey,
Brittany.
One of the kids is crying over on the floor. She's crying over there.
She said no to
See what I mean? Okay. Gonna be awesome. Hannah. Hannah.
Okay, I'm gonna spank my own butt.
Anna! No, put it down! Uh-oh. Oh.
Wanna play tennis?
No, no, no! A few questions from the locals. What do you think about this crisis that's happening right now?
I think it's very stupid and people should listen to each other instead of running around like crazy. Don't you think they're crazy? Like
Yeah.
the girl behind you. She keeps on trying to kill me. They're crazy. I used to be crazy at first, but they are worse than me.
Okay.
Shut up.
Thank you, ma'am, for those questions. Okay.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Oh my gosh. Hey, I'm one of those crazy people, so if y'all think y'all get around. Wait, Abby, my name is Hannah, and I am a psychopath. Where's the video? It's alright, she'll put him back on. Say bye, people. In the middle of the road. Start going in the middle of the road.
Dominique, can we ask you a few questions? Okay. What do you think about the crisis that's happening right now?
Very bad. 7-2.
Say it's bad.
Bad.
Okay, that will be all. Thank you.
Hey, Abby, we're going to the middle of the road. Come film it.
Oh my God. Oh my God, the crazy people are going to attempt suicide.
Let me take this.
Okay, Brittany, take the camera.
Watch Dominique, please.
You guys might want to get out of the road.
Oh my God, there's a car. I'm high. Oh my God, we almost got hit by a car. Oh my God. Do you want a drink?
Okay, now.
Wait.
Ready? We're going. It's
Wait, don't
taping.
play it yet.
It's taping.
Hi, this is the Elizabeth Show. No, it's not. And this show is about all the wacky people. Here we go. Let's see all the wacky people.
Now it's on.
Wait, I thought I want to watch the other one of this.
No,
Me and I want to watch the other one. Right, Hannah? Don't.
Who's you looking at? I gotta do my evil laugh. I'm evil. I got one.
And this is my laugh. Ha, ha, ha.
What? I got one.
It's my candle.
I got one.
I have a candle. Ready?
No. Can I have it back?
Bring it.
Come on, I collect those.
Okay, fine. She collects.
I collect birthday candles. Okay. These are my parents.
Girl video.
And this is Britt Brat's mom.
La la la.
And that's that.
Abby, get something, right? Do it again.
Watch, ready, Abby?
Ready, Abby?
Oh, this is my sister.
Watch out, Ayana. Watch out.
Hi.
Watch, Abby. Watch this. Ready, Abby?
And this is my friend Hannah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Let's go see Brittany. Hey, Brittany. My name is I'm a wiener.
What? What?
I'm a wiener.
That tasted gross.
These are Britt Brat's friends.
Don't make me
And this is Britt Brat's little sister, Dominique. Dominique, say hi.
Hi. Hey, Abby, it was Brittany's birthday.
Oh, today's Britt Brat's birthday. Hi. Okay, as I was saying, it's Brittany's birthday today.
Yeah. She has something to say to the camera.
I have a penis.
Okay, as I was saying.
Wait, and she give your happy birthday gift to Brittany. Show your happy birthday gift to Brittany.
Okay, well, you gotta show Ayana's birthday. You have to get a
Show! This is Ayana's birthday. Wait, this is Ayana's.
Ready? Look, stay right there. Ta-da! Happy birthday!
Yeah, that was her birthday present. Doesn't it suck?
She was just kidding.
She didn't.
Okay, and here's the birthday girl, Britt Brat.
She kicked you in the
What?
back.
I'm gonna go hit